Hi everyone! Good evening! Happy Tuesday! Kumusta po kayong lahat? I hope you are all keeping well and safe. Well, ako naman I'm okay. I was just been busy for the day. I have loads of things to do that I did, and that's including tidying up my wardrobe. Kasi winter is fast approaching na. So, I took out most of my summer clothes and put the winter clothes. So, since winter is fast approaching, our weather is also getting colder every day, and it's also getting darker. Or dimmer outside, even though it's near past 4 p.m. It's already dark outside. That's why we had already changed our time 2 weeks ago. We moved it backward. So, and it's called DST. Well, today guys, I'm just really grateful to be celebrating our 8 wonderful years within our global community. What a journey! Napakaganda po ng journey na experience namin dito. Kasi lives have changed. May maraming family na natulungan po kami, natutulungan, and a lot of us are stepping into our dreams na akala namin is they are out of reach. Napakarami po dito. Karamihan po dito is they are living the dream that they have dreamt before. Kaya po, I'm just really passionate about this business, and I'm just sharing it to everyone because of this. Because this is your chance to check this out and see how amazing this business is. And since this is our webinar night every Tuesday and every Thursday, so I'm just so excited to invite you guys to join us. Whether kung you are looking for a fresh start, or if you're looking to have more time with the family, or to do the things that you love, or freedom to live life on your own terms, nandito po kami to support you. So, if you are ready for something new, or just need a little inspiration, I'm inviting you guys to come and see what's possible with this business. We are a community that believes in lifting each other up, no matter where you are starting from. So guys, my website is www.roselampiloquio.com. So upon registering on my website, you will receive an email. It's either on your inbox or on your junk or spam folder, guys. So you will receive a link to watch our complimentary webinar. So it depends on the time that we have. So it is, I think it's 12 a.m. here in Ireland, and it's 5 p.m. PDT. And in the Philippines, it is 8 a.m. I think it's 8 a.m. So you're going to receive those invite for the link if you want to watch the live one also. But this one is, you can watch the replay as soon as you registered on my email. Hi, Minnie. Thanks for watching. Kumusta? So, I hope you are doing well there. Ayun lang po, it's just a short go live, just looking back on my journey, on our journey on this global business community. And I'm just really grateful to have this business in place. Kasi talagang nakakatulong sa mga tao na gustong mabago ang kanilang buhay. Napaka-flexible po ng business na to. since it runs in automation once the business has been set up. And since this is online, we just use our phone mostly and our laptop and an internet connection, and we can bring it anywhere we are. Kaya napakaganda. Mabuti naman, Mini. Okay naman. Salamat. So, ayun po. Yung business po na to, it's not a quick to get rich scheme. Kinakailangan po nating bigyan ng panahon. Though our training is in video form, kaya kahit po you don't have any experience at all, you can still follow the training. It's a step-by-step training. Kaya napakaganda po. And besides, you are not going to be alone on your journey here. Meron po kayong one-on-one mentoring and coaching. Kaya maganda po. And we have a supportive global community. Kaya kahit sino po pwede nyong hingan ng tulong. Yun po napakaganda. And the business is 50 years in the business, yung company na nag-work kami. And it is global. Kaya marami po silang offices around the world. Kaya napakaganda po ng business na to. So if you are looking for something, maybe you want to check this out. And I already told my link. So this is a blessing. It's a life-changing business na talagang kadami-dami na talaga pong nabago ang buhay sa aming business community. Grabe, sobra-sobrang blessing talaga at napakasaya-saya naman po talaga na dahil sa business na to ay marami pong natutulungang mga tao na mababago ang buhay nila. Yun lang po, and maraming salamat and have a lovely evening again, and God bless. Bye!